I've taken a bit more off the belly of the bamboo back U, and one of the problems is it's so hard to brace, and I can't really work out how to use a stringer on it, because I don't want to be cutting big grooves in for a stringer. But then it dawned on me, if I had a little power bulge there, bit of bamboo, that will actually get cut out when I cut the splice to put the levers on. In the meantime, that will provide like a temporary knock for a nice big string to go on. I'll loop my stringer onto that, having threaded the normal string underneath it first. So I should be able to get it braced. Just got to get the rubber strapping off this one and I'll give it a go. Yeah, they're just glued on with high viscosity super glue, because I didn't want to end up taking more and more off the belly until I could brace it by hand, to only then find that it was too weak for what I wanted. I mean, the sort of weight I want over that length is going to need a stringer, so might even need winching back initially. Here's the arrangement that's allowing me to winch it back to brace it. It's one of those little trailer winches that you can get off the internet, with the handle cut shorter to make it more compact, and I don't need that much leverage. I've got the string threaded through the loop there and on, so that once it is braced I can pull this loop off. And at this end I thread the string through until I can hook it over, which just needs a couple more turns on the winch. It's a little bit scary, but we're slowly getting there. So it looks a lot fatter here than there. I might have to just check it up, because I could easily have got caught out having worked on one limb and not the other. But I just wanted to check that my knock arrangement and bracing arrangement was going to work. Right, I've managed to winch it to a low brace. You can see that's probably about sort of 4 inches or so. It's definitely done something. I'll have a quick look at the draw weight, sort of get an idea of if I'm in the ballpark. I have to pull it from down below, because I've got the winch going through that pulley. But remember, I'm looking for about 80 pounds. 50, 60, 70. Oh yeah, that's 80 at about 12. 90 at about 13. So that gives me an idea. I'm not too far out now. So by the time I've rounded the corners off a little bit, I can look at that. We're doing quite good. Would have been easy to take off too much wood and end up underweight.